Hi, Evan. How are you this week?
I'm doing well. How are you doing? It's
I
beautiful out.
am I'm really good. And another week in quarantine. But we're still rocking and rolling and we're still helping clients buy homes and sell homes. It definitely looks different. Obviously, things are much more virtual, and we've pivoted into that motion to be able to make sure everybody is healthy and safe while viewing these homes and selling them. And so, yeah, so everything's good. How are you guys on your end?
We're doing well. We're just trucking along. You know, Rates are fantastic. Still have a three in front of rates with good credit scores. So low threes, mid threes, depending on the product. So that's been nice and steady through into this week.
Yeah, absolutely. So we've had a pretty good stretch with a three in front of it for,
2 weeks, something like
yeah,
that. Yeah.
that's a good thing, right?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, it enables home buyers to have some confidence that they don't get pre-approved, at 3.5, and then next week it's at 4.5. That's a huge difference. So
Right.
it helps out, and it helps people refinance that need to take advantage of that. So yeah, keeping rates low. I think we're going to have some good rates here through the summer into the end of the year.
That's awesome. That's really good to know. So there's been a lot of talk, and I wanted you to kind of shed some light, some of your expertise to our viewers in regards to the mortgage forbearance. And so, with a lot of the unemployment that's going on right now and going into basically a recession, right? What is your take on the forbearance? Can you explain to people how that kind of works?
Yeah, absolutely. So whatever I say right now, you want to reach out to your current servicer who you make your mortgage payments to and ask what their program is, because it's going to vary program to program, however you bought the home or your last loan, and then servicer to servicer as far as how they're handling things. So I'll preface it with whatever I say, reach out to them directly. But here's the things to keep in mind when you're talking to them. A big forbearance package right now is to defer payments for 3 months, which sounds great. And again, there is no free ride here, right? So I've had people call and say, hey, I'm getting 3 free payments. Of course, I'm going to take advantage of it. No, there is no free ride. So the banks are going to get their money. And so the 3 month thing, which sounds great if they add it on to the back of the loan, meaning, if you have 25 years left on your loan, now you have 25 years and 3 months, but a lot of them are set so that you defer for 3 months, and then the fourth month comes along and you owe for the fourth month plus the prior three all at once. It's a balloon payment. So if you pay 1,000 a month, you defer 3,000. That sounds great. Now month four comes, I owe $1,000 plus the 3,000, $4,000 payment that balloons on you in 4 months. So that's one thing that we're hearing a lot of. And of course, there's millions of people right now on furlough, unemployment, waiting to get back to work, and that need some help. So by all means, whatever you got to do to keep your house and keep making the payments, of course. But if you are on the fence and you just want to take advantage of this, make your mortgage payments, because not only can that balloon on you, but it can mess you up if you want to refinance. We can't refinance someone currently in forbearance. It could mess up your credit report, even though they say it won't mess up your credit report sometimes. So there's a lot of fallout that could happen. So if you can make the payment, make the payment. That's a suggestion. The other thing that could come up, they could get to the fourth month and say, okay, well, we'll spread it out over the next year. Well, $4,000 over 12 months adds up to, over $300 a month extra to your payment, so that could change things for you. So moral of the story, reach out to your servicer, find out. Of course, if you have any questions, you can always reach out to us, just to bounce it off of us. But it isn't a free ride by any means.
Okay, that's really good to know. And that's excellent information for everybody out there that's questioning about this. Evan said definitely reach out to your provider. And if you have any further questions or you're having a difficult time reaching out to your provider, call Evan over at Family Mortgage. He'll be able to shed some light on that. And I'm always here as well to help with any of those questions. So the other question is, are we, we're in a recession or an economic slowdown, right? But we're not in a housing recession. I mean, the housing market is fantastic right now. It truly is. It's not as fast as it has been, but it's still very good. And guys, what I do know is that the housing market is going to pull us out of this economic slowdown. It is going to pull us out of this. So don't stop. Keep looking. We're here to help you guys. Evan's here to help with the mortgage. I'm here to help you find a home. I'm here to help you sell your home. At the end of the day, we're just here to help you. And maybe you just have some questions right at this moment, and we're here to help you guys with that. So we want you guys to feel as comfortable as possible and answer these questions that you might have that are looming over your head. And you hear one thing over social media, you hear another thing on the news, but you guys want those solid answers, give us a call. We're absolutely here to help you guys, and we're here to get you guys through it too. So if you just need somebody to call and talk to, if you're just feeling a little bummed about things, we're here for you guys 100%.
Very good. Yep. I heard an interesting thing because you talk to so many people here across the country, at least in our area, there's a lack of inventory problem.
Yep.
And we talked a couple weeks ago about what was going on leading up to the 2008 recession. And I believe there's about a 12-month inventory of homes, new construction, all that stuff was crazy. There isn't a buildup of inventory. There's a lack of inventory at the moment.
Yep, absolutely.
So it's definitely a different scenario.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. And again, guys, we're here to answer all of those questions. So just please reach out to us. Shoot us a message, shoot us an email, a DM, a text message, whatever it is, just to get those questions and thoughts out. Let us help you on our end. That's what we're here for. And we're working literally, I feel like around the clock, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
We're still working. My office looks a little bit different, but we're still here. We're still working, and we're still making it happen for our clients.
Absolutely.
So, Evan, thank you so much. And guys, we'll be back here again next week for another update. If there's any specific questions that you might have right now, put a comment below, and we'll try and shed some light on that now or next week when we're back on. So thank you guys. Thank you, Evan. Thank you.